How to log into your Clydesdale Bank Credit Card account online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search for Clydesdale Bank. Then click on the very first website, which is going to take you to the official website of Clydesdale Bank. Here you want to click on the register option if you have not created your account. Click on the option of login and then select the option of login for internet banking. Here it's going to say that the internet banking has moved. Click on the option of continue to Virgin Money internet banking. Then here you want to enter your customer number or username. Click on this link in case you have forgotten your customer number. Now click on the continue option. Once you click on the continue option, you will be logged into your account after you have entered your password. Now you will be directed to your online banking dashboard. Click on the option of credit card. Now click on the link or tab that is going to correspond you to your credit card account. This is going to allow you to view your credit card balance, transactions and statements or any other account details. In case you want to apply for a new credit card, you can do that from here as well. All you have to do is fill up an online form and wait for the bank to approve your application. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.